Hey everyone, I'm doing a taste test today with this RAO's Italian wedding soup. This is a slow simmered soup. It's Italian style, and it is made for home, Italian wedding with meatballs. It does say product of Canada on it, so that's a little bit different than their sauce, I believe. And let's just take a look at this. But it says manufactured in Montclair, so I'm a little confused. On that. Slow simmered Italian style soup. There's the nutritional values, and I'm going to show you what this is like. There's no artificial colors or flavors, and there's no preservatives. It's a 16-ounce jar. And a 16-ounce jar is going to give you a good size serving. So if you're eating this for a meal, for lunch or something, I would say you're going to want that amount. It's a little, it's a little bit pricey, but it's good. You see, everything is their ingredients. Now let's take a look at this. You can see the little pasta pearls and the little meatballs, carrots. Let me see, I'll tell you what the ingredients are. And here we have chicken broth, meatballs. It says pork, beef. They're made of pork and beef. Liquid, whole eggs, breadcrumb. Oh, this is in the meatballs, okay. Unbleached wheat flour, water, Romano cheese. And then it has sheep and cow's milk, and then this is the Romano cheese, okay. Okay, so it goes on and gives you the ingredients of that. Carrots, let's see here, parsley, enriched acine di pepe, that's the pasta, spinach, sea salt, Parmesan cheese, black pepper. Okay, and stuff like that. So let me give it a try. I haven't tried it yet. I'm gonna try it for you guys. It's good. It's good. But honestly, though, I don't know that it's so much better than the Progresso Italian wedding soup. Honestly, I don't. You know what I'd almost like to do as a taste test? Or the chicorino. I don't know that, it's good. I'm going to eat it for sure. I'd like to do a taste test with the Progresso. It's not that it's like, oh my gosh, it's like, it still tastes, it's, when I make it myself, it doesn't, I think it's something when you make it with, I don't know, it's hard to explain. It doesn't taste like my homemade. It tastes to me like a lot like the Progresso, which is a lot cheaper. So I don't know. Let me know what you guys think if you've tried this and if you tried the Progresso. I probably want to do a side-by-side taste test. I'll check it out. But there we go. Thanks for watching, guys. See you later. Bye-bye.